Welcome! In this video, we're going to master post-order traversal of a binary tree.
The rule is simple, and we'll repeat it often. For any given node, you must process 1. The left child, then 2. The right child, and finally 3. Visit the node itself.
Let's begin with our example tree. We start at the root, A. Our rule is left, right, visit. So first, we must explore its left subtree. We travel to B. Now we're at B. The rule applies again. Left, right, visit. So we must go left. We travel to C. We're at C. Can we go left? No. Can we go right? No. So for node C, the left and right tasks are done. All that's left to visit is C. It's the first node in our final sequence.
Okay, the task at C is complete. We return to its parent, B.
We've just finished B's entire left side. The next step in our left-right visit rule is to check the right side. We travel to D. Now, at D, does it have a left child? No. A right child? No. So we can immediately visit D. D is the second node in our sequence.
We return to D's parent, B. Now, look at node B. We have fully explored its left child, C, and its right child, D. The left is done. The right is done. It's finally time to visit B itself. B is the third node in our sequence. The entire left subtree of our main root, A, is now finished. We travel back up to A. We've completed the left part of A's checklist. What's next? The right part. Let's travel to A's right child, E.
We are at E. What's the rule? Left, right, visit. So first, we must go left. We travel to F. At F, there's no left or right child to explore, so we can immediately visit F. Now, back to E. We've finished its left side. The next step is its right side. We travel to G. At G, there's no left or right child, so we can visit G. Back to E one last time. We've done its left child, F, and its right child, G. The checklist is complete. We can now visit E. Finally, we return to the main root, A. We have explored its entire left subtree and its entire right subtree. Left is done. Right is done. The very last step is to visit the root node, A.
Notice how we only visit a parent after all of its descendants have been visited. That's the power of the left-right visit pattern.
Thanks for watching this visualization. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.